Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to auto reframe your videos from a 16 by 9 to a 9 by 16, which is pretty much a vector video, which platform like Instagram, TikTok, and maybe Facebook use quite a lot. So if you want to maybe create a vertical video or a short video from a long content, I'm going to show you how you can do that using the AI auto reframe features in Filmora 12. So I just went on YouTube and found the Joe Rogan podcast, and I just want to use this as a demo for this tutorial. So pretty much I just copied the link and went to this website and downloaded the video just in case if you want to do something similar. So but this video just going to be using it for this tutorial. So if you want, let's say this was your video and you want to also reframe it from an horizontal to a vertical style clip, head over to Filmora and click on the slide and click on the auto reframe tool. So next thing you need to do is click on the import icon and search the video file you downloaded. So I'm just going to find it. Okay, yes, this is the file, Joe Rogan podcast. I'm just going to click on it and you can click on play to preview
The Joe Rogan Experience.
And when you slide it, this video file is I think it's a total of around 9 minutes. And right here, you're going to see the aspect ratio, which you want to convert our video file to. You can choose 1 by 1. You can choose 16 by 9, which is already the format it is. You can choose whatever format you want your video file to be in. This is one of the reasons I love this AI tool in Filmora. It literally helps you do the hard work you would have done by yourself, that you would have spent hours and hours to pretty much get the results, and you'll be getting the same results using the AI tool in Filmora within minutes or within seconds. So I'm going to be going with the 9 by 16 and going to leave the motion speed as auto and going to click analyze, and the AI tool will start doing its magic. Let's just wait a minute for it to analyze.
All they have to do is have a good headline. The inside of it can be nonsense, and they can even show you right in front of your face, why what they're saying is incorrect.
So the next thing you need to do is pretty much just export your video. You just got to name it, and I'm going to choose where I'm going to save it, and let me find. Okay, I'm just going to click it and save it in the same spot, and I'm going to save and export. So it's going to take a few minutes to export our video file, and when it's done, I'm going to come back and show you the results.
The Joe Rogan Experience.
All they have to do is have a good headline. The inside of it can be nonsense, and they can even show you right in front of your face, why what they're saying is incorrect, and it doesn't matter.
And then they all...
I need a loan. And they, narrative that he thinks it's nothing.
Yeah. But when
is he doing mental gymnastics?
Okay, guys, you can see right now our video has been changed from the horizontal format into the vertical format using the auto reframe AI. I hope you guys found this tutorial really helpful. If you found it really helpful, please just smash the like button and leave your comment down in the comment section, and so we can interact. And that's all for today's video, and see you guys on the next one.